Hello, see you again. It's time to money management. Now you know the basic trend SNR, um, SS123, SSY, SSYA, etc. etc. Okay, it's time to money management. Why we need money management? Why we need it? Good trader is always profit every day. Yeah, good trader is always profit every day. Not today profit, tomorrow loss, the day after tomorrow profit again, and then loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, profit. You will get nothing then. That's why we need to be disciplined and use the money management that's strong enough to increase your balance. Okay. Number two, why we need it? Good trader will get more and more profit from impatient trader. Look at this one. Impatient. It's up to you. If you want to be a patient trader, then you can get the profit. But if you are impatient trader, then thank you. So I can, or other members that patient can get your money. That the system how it works in this system. Only patient trader will get the money, but impatient trader always throwing their money. Okay, remember that one. Why we need it also? Remember, this is investment, not the game. That's why we have to understand what how much money we invest and how much profit we can get. I always trade when the price or the profit above 80%. That's my style. But it's up to you. When I invest $100, so I can get 88 or 89 because the profit is 89%. Since you have to think that the bigger profit also there is a challenge. IQ option will give us IQ option knows that the market is a little bit difficult to predict. So that's why they give the profit bigger. You have to be careful and patient. But it doesn't mean that the 60% maybe in here for the profit, it's easy to predict. No, it's almost the same. That's why I always take the biggest profit to trade, no matter the the pairs. Okay, don't think too much. Don't think about the news. Don't think about the whatever. As long as our analysis is good, then news will follow my our analysis. And why we need it also? Why we need my money management? It's to avoid the overconfidence. Overconfidence will always bring your money to broker. Please avoid overconfidence. Keep analyzing the chart. And why we need it also? To lock our profit. That's the key. We have to lock our profit day by day. But the question how we can manage our money in the YouTube or the others, many money management. This is the most popular. It's martingale, but it's really, really high risk. Yeah, this is the point. This is the most interesting of martingale. Never lose. Why? Because we will increase our investment. Keep increase to cover uh, to cover the loss. Let's say we start with one win. Win uh, times. Let's say 80%. Okay, plus this one. Okay, and then get one again, and let's say we win here, right? Oops, this one plus this one. This is martingale, and we win again. And when we lost here, $1, it's zero. When we lost, and then we have to invest 2.5 times this one. Okay, oh sorry, like this. 2.586, yes, times 80%. Okay, and when we lost again, we have to invest this one. When we lost again, when we lost again, when we lost again, look at this. If we have 1,000 US dollar, yes, it will save. Look at how many 1,000, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. This investment, sorry, only to recover your loss here, your loss here, your loss here, and here. That's why when we have 6 times or 7 times loss in a row, then your money will gone. But if you win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, there's no problem as long as you have money. But remember, investing our money in IQ option also uh, bring your nervous also, your think, your emotion also inside this trade. Okay, that's why we are not recommend the martingale. Number two, consistent investment, medium risk but low gain. Look at this. It's oops, like this. Just copy. Look at this. $20 trades, we only gain $19. It's $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. It's tiring. If it lost, then you only have a tiny, tiny, tiny profit. That's why we are not recommend you to trade with consistent investment. Unless you are practicing your technique, yes, $1 is okay. Practicing with your real account just to make used to trade with real account. This is what we have: the golden money management. It's a golden. It's a golden. Why it's golden? Yeah, it's a gold. It's a medium to low risk but high profit. That's the difference between martingale, consistent investment, and golden money management. We will talk about it later. Then what we have to do? First, number one, the first thing is mastering the technique and analysis. Number two, mastering the technique and analysis. Number three, mastering the technique and analysis also. But number four, we must have daily target. Once a day, we call it ODOT, 1 day, 1 trade. It's also powerful as long as you can manage your emotion. You only take one shot a day, one shot a day. It's simple, very, very simple. One shot a day. But make sure you will always, always profit. Here is the golden management. Let's say we invest $1, sorry, $10, and the profit from IQ is 80%. Let's say you are brave enough for the first trade. You invest 50% of your investment, $10. So the first trade is $10. So the profit we will get 80% of this investment, which is $4. Let me zoom out, zoom in. I mean, $4, and the balance will become from 10 to become uh, $14. And the second trade, we invest only a half of this one, a half. Sorry, a half of this. Sorry, a half of the profit, total profit. 14 minus 10 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is $2. Why a half? Just to make sure, just to lock your profit. You know, your profit is 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 2. Here, here is 2. Why? When we lost with the second trade, then we still have a half of profit. Okay, profit 80%, 1.6. Total profit is $15, 15.6. And then the next trade is a half of the total profit. Here, 15.6 minus total investment is 56. Divided by 2 is 2.8, right? It's 2.8. And so on and so on and so on and so on. Look at this. Do you remember, compared to the consistent profit, if we can win in a row for 23 times, you only get, well, it's about $20. But with golden money management, you will get $6,000 from $10. Okay. Many question about this one. How about it if in 8 day, sorry, we lost? Yes, when we lost at 8 day or 8 trades, and then let's say 15 here, so the total is 52.2 minus what we invested here. Okay, and then we bring this number to this one, 37.1. Boom. And then you can recalculate again for the first trade, 50% or just 10%. It's up to you. Change again. Why? Because when we lost, the rest of balance must think that this is your first investment. So it becomes 37.1. It means you already have a profit is about 27.1. But don't think that's your profit, but it starts as your first investment. So you can start 10% or maybe 20%. So you can use this one. When you are consistently trading with the uh, what is this golden money management and keep winning every day with O dot 1 day 1 trade, you can imagine how much money you can get. Okay, I hope you can understand this one. I will put this document on the what is that? Well, I will post it in lesson one group. I think that's all from me about golden money management, or we call it GMM. GMM, golden money management. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.